Hey y'all, it's BrieLovesMakeup and you are watching my channel. Today's video is a little bit different, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna make a part of nothing. My hair is like all the way natural, no wig. You know, this is just very, very, very different than what I usually do. Cause today is a challenge, hoes. And it's the no mirror challenge. And right now my phone is actually on the front, but when I start doing my makeup, this is not gonna be good. When I start doing my makeup, I'm gonna turn this baby around so I won't be able to see myself, because I can see myself. I want to make sure I look good right now. But this is gonna be interesting because I've never done this before. I've never really done a challenge, and I was like, that'd be a good challenge to do. So I don't know how this is gonna turn out. I know that I'm gonna be using my hands a lot to see where my brow and my lip is. I think I'm pretty good at doing that. Like, I've had to do certain things without looking, like my lip, or you know what I'm saying, put my lash on. That's different, but we're gonna see how this is gonna go. I thought about doing a cut crease, but I don't think a cut crease, I'm not gonna be able to do that, okay? So we're gonna go for more of a natural look, and if I feel like doing more, maybe, but we'll see. The liner is gonna be the most difficult thing, and also my brows. Those two things I'm dreading to do. Everything else is gonna be a breeze. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and without further ado, here we go. I'm not really mad about having to use this stuff, but it's the Wet n Wild, and I don't feel like using the Wet n Wild. And just now I thought about, I need to get a mirror so I can do these brows perfect. And now, so it's the same thing except not. This is way harder than I thought it was gonna be. So, all right, let's do it. I think closing my eyes will help, because opening them is not gonna help me. Oh my God, this is already going bad. Please guide me, Lord. Oh my God, I'm scared. No! Okay, come on. Connect the dots and make it perfect, please. Like this is a mirror. Okay, I'm just filling in. Oh my God, what is this gonna look like? A hot fucking mess. Okay, let's blend this all the way out, bitch. Okay, I'm talking about I don't even want nothing there. I'm gonna do my whole routine exactly how I do it, and I hope this does not come out bad. Okay, hold on. Okay, I don't feel as bad about it. I'm probably going really thick on the brow. What the hell? Okay, so I'm gonna not cheat, but this is how I really do my brows, y'all. So really, even if I mess it up, I'm gonna try to fix it. Okay, that's that brow. I feel a little bit better. Do that on the other side. I can feel like this is wrong. It's so wrong. I hope this doesn't come out bad. I'm almost done with this. I'm not doing it. I'm not. This is not fun. Okay, so I use Makeup Revolution concealer, and I'm not even gonna use that much because I already feel like this is not good. We're gonna pray to God that this all goes the way it needs to. Okay, hopefully this is I feel like it feels right, but it doesn't. I'm gonna put just a little more. Oh my God, I feel like I put too much now. Okay, this is normal though. This part's normal. Oh my God, this smells ugly. I can feel it. Let me do a little bit of that. Okay. Like if I just close my eyes and just like really feel around, I'll be able to get really close to what I usually do. Okay, so I'm gonna do yellow. I'm just gonna tap that in right here. I hope I can like envision how it's supposed to be. Wish I could use the mirror. I'm just gonna like blend until I can't stand to do it anymore. It's not gonna be the brow that I know I love. But if there is a possibility that this could turn out mediocre, I'm going to, you know, I'll be okay. I feel a little better knowing that it could be okay. It could look a hot mess. I mean, it could be a lot of things. I can't see shit. I don't fucking know, man. Fluff it up. I'm just using the natural bones to kind of guide what they should be, and then do it on the other side. Natural bones, natural bones. Okay. And instead of like fluffing it up, I'm just gonna tap it right in here. Just gonna fluff it right in there. So. I'm not really sure why I did it. So, how am I gonna do this? Okay. So usually I do the lookup method, but I can't. So I'm just gonna do this. Give it a slight little. Okay, and then so to make sure it gets all over, I'm just gonna take and then just like. I'm gonna keep packing until I feel like I'm gonna keep packing until I think it's good. Oh my god. Okay, I'm just gonna go like this. Cause I really don't wanna cheat, y'all. I wanna like, I want it to be authentic. So we're gonna take a little bit of black. I know that's crazy, but we're gonna put it right here. Just go. Hopefully that doesn't look bad. I don't really, like, I'm not too worried about the face. It's just the eyebrows and the eyes. What you crying for? I should be crying. I can't see myself. My dog is crying because he wants to get out. I should cry because I can't see this monstrosity. Does it look okay? Does it look okay? Alright, cool. He just said I look a hot mess. Wow. Way to go. Way to support me. Could have just said I look good. Damn. Okay, we're gonna close this. I'm not even gonna look. I'm just gonna move on because it's so stupid. I don't know why I did this to myself. So I'm using primer and I'm just gonna put that all over. Probably have black streaks all over myself. I'm gonna look gray after this. I'm not putting any makeup on my forehead because of my bangs, and that's just too much. Like if I get makeup on my bangs, I'm gonna be mad. I'm using the Born This Way foundation. I'm just gonna use a squirt on each side. Maybe this is gonna be harder than I thought because I feel like I'm not confident. I'm not confident about this at all. No confidence at all. I just feel like I look so stupid. Why did I choose this challenge? Like I'm supposed to stay on fleek, kind of take it and then just kind of make sure everything is all cleaned up in these areas. Hopefully it doesn't look stupid, but it probably does. Ooh, hopefully come out. Oh, there it goes. I hate when this does that. Alright. I'm really going kind of fast, but like I feel like I got this part. I feel better on this part than I do the eyeshadow. The eyeshadow's a fucking no. My dog's literally looking at me like, what the fuck are you doing? The good thing about brushes is that they kind of fit your face a little, or at least I feel like I fit my face. So you don't have to do a lot of like worrying about it because it like fits right in your socket right there. The good thing about saying is that you can make sure, you know? Next thing we're gonna do is contour, which I brought a new contour, but I think it's down in the car. And this has a little mirror in it. Wow. I didn't see myself though. Why am I blending all the way up here? What the fuck? Oh my god, this is so stupid. I feel dumb! What you say when you get cheated on? And you knew it wasn't shit, but you still stayed with them? I feel dum 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 stupid. Okay. Hopefully this isn't too bad. It's like you put more on or something. I feel like I'm putting more on than I need, or more on than I even intended, because I can't fucking see. Like, I have to look up. I can't look at the camera. I feel it's like stupid to look at the camera. Can't even fucking see shit, man. We're just gonna do what I usually do with the nose and just powder the whole thing. Go down the bridge like this. Did it even do it? Like, and then I usually go like this with the powder, but I just feel like this is so stupid. Okay. Blush, I'm just gonna do that. Or a lot of blush, whatever. And then using the same color on our eyes, which I feel like my eye looks stupid. A little highlight or a lot. I can't tell how much I have on, and I'd rather do more than not. Let's just make it into a show. Make it into a fucking show. Clown show. Okay. So I like to go over. So I like to go over everything with my foundation brush to make sure. And it doesn't hurt because I don't know what the fuck is going on. And maybe if I blend it all the way to nothing, I'll feel better. This is not gonna be fun. Okay. Might be able to do this. I'm not mad about it. Like, I feel like I did okay. At this point, it's just like, what the fuck? Get some of that. came out pretty. I have a feeling I look like Bozo. And now the lashes. Honestly, I'm almost. I don't have any lash glue. This is the final look. If the lashes were on better, which I feel like they're not on badly. But I just don't feel the need to glue them down because I'm about to fucking take all this shit off. Reveal is in 3, 2, 1. Whoa! 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 Whoa, that isn't even that bad. What? Are you serious? Bro, I'm a master. I just aced this challenge for real. And I swear I did not take one peek. I mean, I overdrew the lips a lot, which I thought I had that on point. But this side's a little bit higher, but it's cool. Contour doesn't look that bad. Oh wow. I contoured heavy, honey. Oh my god, I contoured all the way up here. Y'all didn't tell me? This side looks good. That's all that matters. My nose looks kind of snatched. Okay, contour. And my eyeshadow is way better than I thought it was gonna be. Whoa, I'm proud. This challenge was a lot. Like, it was super like nerve-wracking. My anxiety was on 10 because I'm a perfectionist and not being able to see what I'm doing and where I'm placing it, how it looks, how it's blended. Honey, I had a freaking anxiety attack. Whole thoughts in my head of this whole look being uglier than it was. See, that's why you don't doubt yourself, fam. Don't ever doubt yourself. That's number 1. Number 2, okay, the brows could be better. The brows are something that could have been better, but they're not that bad. Like, I thought this whole thing was gonna be a scrambled ugly look, but it's not that bad. I might redo this because this is really pretty. Same colors, but more structure. It looks so good. Well, better than I thought it was gonna look. It's not that it looks so good, it just looks a lot closer to my normal look than not. Like, a little bit in for things that could have been changed, sharpened up, but other than that, it's not too bad. Like, even the highlight is pretty cool. Like, it's on point. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as me because, honey, this contour had me dying. Comment down below, like, subscribe. Tell me what you think about this look. If you like this look, please hit the thumbs up. If you don't like this look, hit the thumbs down. And I challenge you to go on your YouTube and do the no mirror challenge and tag me in it so I can see all the craziness that you had to go through to get this type of look, okay? So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Until next time, bye.